Yes, children. Now shall we start grammar part? Yes. What is the lesson name? Annual haircut. Who is there long hair? Tell me. Yes, Sringeri Srinivas. He struggled a lot, no, to cut the hair. Did you remember? Yes. Now here, back of the lesson, one bit they give. Okay. Here, rearrange the words they give. Here some girls and boys, they give the pictures. See the expression. See the expression and the spelling. Wrong spelling they give. We have to write correct order. Rearrange the letters. Then we will get meaningful word. Okay, children? Here, Dev. Dev is. See here, Dev is dash. DSA. What is meaning DSA? No meaning. See here, picture. How is Dev? Is very happy? No. Is crying? No. Is laughing? No. How is he? See the expression? Yes. DSA. What is that? How is the expression? Very sad, no? Right. Okay. Sad. DSA. Spelling correct? No. S-A-D. Now correct spelling? Yes. I arrange the letters correct order. Then we got meaningful word. And we understand the sentence also. Dev is sad. Now is the correct? Dev is sad. Got it? Dev is SAD. Sad. Now second one. Sanjana is dash. RAYNG. What is that? Is there meaning? No meaning. Sanjana is dash. RAYNG. No meaning. You have to see Sanjana. This girl's name is Sanjana. How she is? Happy? Sad? No. Angry. How she is? Angry. See her expression. Angry, no? Yes. Sanjana is angry. What is the spelling? A-N-G-R-Y. Here what they gave here? R-A-Y-N-G. Is that correct? No. A-N-G-R-Y. Correct. Angry. Sanjana is angry. Got the full meaningful sentence? Yes. Sanjana is angry. Now, Prisha. Prisha is RACSED. Is that meaning? No, we didn't understand. Prisha is dash. See the expression. What is her expression? Scared. Like a Sringeri Srinivas. Scared. Okay. Yes. Now, what is spelling? S-C-A-R-E-D. Scared. This is wrong, no? So we arranged correctly. These all letters we arranged correctly. Then we got meaningful sentence. Prisha is scared. See here expression. Prisha is scared, no? Yes. Next one. Vihan is. YAPPH. We have to arrange. We have to choose the letters. We have to write the correct form in order. Then we will get meaningful word. So, Vihan is dash. See how he is sad? How is his expression? Crying, laughing, He's happy. He's happy now? Yes. See, what is spelling? H A P P Y. Happy. This one we change. We select some letters and we. Vihan is happy. Yes. Next one. Anika is dash. What is the Anika's expression? When we got the sleepy mood, then we will do like this, no yarn. So, Anika is dash. How is Anika? See her expression, feeling? Yes. Sleepy mood. Yes. Anika is sleepy. Yes. L-E-E-P-Y. Sleepy. Yes. Now, next one. Arjun is dash. R-R-E-D-O-W-I. See her expression? See is Arjun how is? Yes, Arjun is dash. What is expression? Worried. Yes. We have to select some letters. We have to arrange. W-O-R-R-I-E-D. Yes. W-O-R-R-I-E-D. Worried. Arjun is worried. Yes. Dev is sad. Sanjana is angry. Trisha is scared. Vihan is happy. Anika is sleepy. Arjun is worried. Yes, we have to see the expressions. Okay, children. Here, match the following they give. I wash my hair. They gave already. With my shampoo. I wash my hair. You have to match. With my shampoo. I dry my hair. I dry my hair with a towel. With a towel. Next one. The barber cuts hair with the scissor. We have to match. Come on, match it. Next one. I comb my hair with a comb. Okay. Next one. I brush my hair with the hair brush. You have to match. Okay. Next. I tie my ponytail with a ribbon. With a ribbon. Yes. Next one. Shall we go next one, children? Yes. Here they gave some words. Wife, cave, barber, hair, and tiger. Wife, cave, barber, hair, tiger. Sringeri Srinivas wanted someone to cut his. Which one correct? Cutting. Yes, hair. First, he went to the. Where he went? Wife or barber? Yes, we have to write barber. Next, then he went back home to ask. He went back to home now. Who are there? Barber or wife? Yes, wife for help. He sat near a dash crying loudly. Where he is? Wife or cave or barber, hair or tiger? Yes, near a cave. Then last one. The dash rolled at Sringeri Srinivas' hair fell off. Who rolled? Tiger. Yes, we have to fill up these all words. Next, one more. Now, new grammar point I want to discuss with you. Yes. Shall we start? naming words. Naming words. This one also very easy, children. Okay. You have to listen carefully. What is the next page? Naming words. Yes. Now here I am writing naming words. Yes. Next, here some people's names. Names of the people. Okay. Names of the people. First one. Names of the people, places and animals and things. These all are called naming words. Naming words. Here people. People, first one. Next one, places. Second one. Next, animals and things. Things are naming words. Here, names for people, places, animals and things. Okay. Here these all naming words. Yes. Names for the people, names for the people, names for the places, names for animals and names for the things. These all naming words. For example, Anita. People name, no? Girl name. A girl's name. Next, Arjun. Name of the people. Next, Bhavana. Name of the people. These are naming words. People naming words. Next, Jaya. Okay. Yes. Here, these all people. These all people. People's names. Okay. Here, Anita is a good girl. Good girl. In this sentence, where is the noun? Where is the naming word? Anita is a good girl. Girl is a naming word? No. Good is naming word? No. Anita is naming word? Yes. Anita is naming word. Okay. Next. Arjun is sleeping. Arjun is sleeping. Where is the naming word? People naming word. Is all people? No. Where is the naming word here? Sleeping? No. Is a sleeping word? No. Arjun is sleeping word? Yes. Arjun is sleeping. Arjun is naming word. Yes. Bhavana. Bhavana is in the kitchen. Yes. Bhavana is in the kitchen. Where is the naming word here? Yes. Is the naming word? No. The naming word, people naming word. Not other one. Okay. Bhavana is naming word, people naming word, people no. Here. Bhavana is naming word. Next one. Jaya is a good girl. Jaya? Yes, Jaya is naming word. Anita, Arjun, Bhavana, Jaya. These are all people naming word. Now, the people naming word is over now. Next, places. Shall we go places? Yes. Here, naming words are very easy not to find out. Yes. Next one, places. Delhi. Is the place no? Yes. Next, zoo. The place? Place naming words. These are market. Market. The naming word no? Yes. Goa. Goa also naming word no? Yes. Delhi, zoo, market, Goa. These are all places naming words. Okay, these are all places naming words. Names for places. Okay. Now I am writing here. I went Delhi. I is the naming word. Place naming word. Name of the place? No. Went name of the place? No. Delhi is name of the place? Yes. Delhi is the name of the place. So here that is the naming word. Place naming word. Here zoo. We visit zoo. Okay. We visit zoo. We is a place naming word. Name of the place? No. Visit? Name of the place? No. Zoo is the name of the place? Yes. Zoo is the name of the place. Okay. Next, market. My mother went to market. Yes. Name of the place. Where it is? My is the name of place? No. Mother is the name of the place? No. Went? No. Market? Yes. Market is the name of the place. Next, Goa. My friend is in Goa. So, my friend is in Goa. Here, where is the place? Where is the name of the place? Where is the name of the place? Yes, Goa is name of the place. Not friend, not mine, not is or not in. Okay, name of the place is Goa. Yes, here one more bit is there. Shall we go one more bit here? Yes. Now did you understand? Yes. Now people over, place over, animal. Animals. Dog, tiger, ant, elephant. These are all animals, no? These also names of the naming words. Okay, these also names. These also naming words. Names of the animals. Okay. I like pet dog. I like a pet dog. I like a pet dog. Name of the animal. name of the animal. I like a pet dog. In that, where is the name of the animal? Yes, dog. These are all naming words, different meaning words. Okay, people, places, animals and things. Okay, children. Yes, now tiger. Tiger is a wild animal. Yes. Where is the name of the animal? Yes. Tiger is the name of the animal. Tiger. Next, ant. Ant is a very small ant is a very small insect. No, insect names and birds names and animals names. All these all will comes names of the animals. Okay, ant is a name of the animal. Means insect. Yes, now elephant. Elephant is a big animal. Listen, elephant is a big animal. So, in that, where is the name of the animal? Yes, elephant. Name of the animal. Okay, children? Understand? So, naming words means people naming words, places naming words, animals naming words, things naming words. We have to see this all animals. Okay, now shall we go for things? Yes. Ball. Next one, ball to match. One more, bat. Okay, now next one, box. Next one, pencil. These all things. Yes, ball. I have a ball. I have a ball. So in this, where is the naming word? Thing naming word. Thing. Thing. I is thing. No. Have. No. A. No. Ball. Yes. This is the thing. No. So this is the name of the thing. Yes. Bat. We have a long bat. We have a long bat. So, bat. Bat is a thing, no? So, we have. We is the thing. Have is the thing. No. Long is a thing. No. Bat is a thing. Name of the thing. Next one. Box. Yes. Do you have a box? Question mark. Do you have a box? Do is a thing? No. You? It is a thing? No. Have? It is a thing? No. Box is a thing? Yes. Box is a thing. Name of the thing. Pencil. I want a pencil. Yes. And this? Yes, we can recognize easily. Thing is pencil. So these are names of the things. Understood, children? Yes. Shall we go one more bit? Yes, that one also is very easy. Okay, children? Okay. Now, countable and uncountable. Countable and uncountable. Yes. Here, I am writing countable. Okay. Uncountable. Yes. Now here, countable, uncountable. We can count our hair. We can count. No, we cannot count. No. That is uncountable. Okay. Yes. Shall I write hair here? Yes. Now, see here. In this bottle, water will be. We can count water? No, we cannot count. Okay. Now, in this only, we will get milk. We can count milk? No, we cannot count. So, shall I write uncountable water? Yes. We will get milk also in this. No, we can count milk also. 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. We can count. No, we cannot count. So, that is uncountable milk. Yes. Now, next one. Here, they gave some words here. Tomato. Here, they gave T-O-M-A-T-O. Tomato. We can count tomatoes, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can count, no? So, it will go uncountable column or countable column? Yes, countable. Tomato. Yes. Now one more. Tea. T-A-T. Just now I said no, milk and water we cannot count. 1, 2, 3 we can count? No, we cannot count. Like that, tea also we cannot count. So it will go uncountable column. Yes. Next one. Chair. Chair. We can count chairs. 1, 2, 3 we can count no chairs. Yes. So this is uncountable or countable? Yes, countable. Chair. Next one. Bread. Yes. Bread also we can count now. 1 slice, 2nd slice, 3rd, 4th, 5th slices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slices we can count now. Bread. Okay. Shall I write here or here? Yes, countable. Bread. Yes. Now, next, salt. What is the next one? Salt. Salt we can count? No, we cannot count salt. We can count? You can? No, we cannot. So, that is uncountable. So, shall I write here or here? Yes, uncountable. Salt. Next one. Key. K-Y. Key. Key we can count? No. Yes. Countable. Here. K-Y. Key. Next one. Jam. Next one. Jam. Jam we can count? No. We cannot count. Jam bottles we can count. Jam bottles we can count. But inside the jam we can count 1, 2, 3. No, we cannot count. So, countable column or uncountable column? Yes, uncountable. Jam. Next one. Hen. What is the last one? Hen. Yes, hen. Hen we can count or uncountable? We can count or not? Yes, we can count. Hen. Yes. Did you understand, children? Yes. Like that they gave in the textbook. We have to write countable column and uncountable. Okay, children? Yes. Now I will send this worksheet. You have to do it. Okay? And see here, just now I said complete the sentences with correct naming words. Just now I explained, no? Like that. Here in the box I gave some words. Delhi, then, Taylor, dog, Raju. Shall I repeat? Delhi, then, Taylor, dog, Raju. Some sentences I gave. Okay, you choose the correct word and fill up it. Dash is playing. Dash is playing. I went dash. Lion is in dash. Next one. I went near dash for stitching clothes. Next, last one. That is my dash. So, you have to choose the correct word and you have to write here. Next bit. Put these words in the correct part of the table. Just now I explained, no, countable and uncountable. Here I gave some words. Pens, milk, eggs, water, sugar, cat. Pens, milk, eggs, water, sugar, cat. Here you have to choose the correct word in countable and uncountable. You have to fill up it. Okay. Next, last one. Match the following. Carpenter make, tailor make, barber use. Only few words I gave here in the second option. Jacket, scissor, chair. Carpenter make, tailor make, barber use. Here in the B section, jacket, scissor, chair. You have to match it. Okay, children? Yes. Next, after worksheet, I will send question answers too. But don't send these question answers written. Okay? You have to practice those question answers. Okay? Yes. Shall I read? Who has no time to cut Sringeri Srinivas hair? Who has no time to cut Sringeri Srinivas hair? Barber, his wife, tailor, carpenter. Answer. Okay? Barber, answer I am reading. Barber, his wife, tailor, carpenter. Next, second question. Who cuts the hair? Who cuts the hair? A barber cuts the hair. Simple, only one line answers, children. Who makes furniture? Who makes furniture? A carpenter makes furniture. A carpenter makes furniture. Who cried loudly near the cave? Who cried loudly near the cave? Sringeri Srinivas cried loudly near the cave. Last question. Who is sleeping in the cave? Who is sleeping in the cave? Tiger is sleeping in the cave. Only one line sentence.